Hey there, fellow life hackers and science enthusiasts.
Today, we're diving deep into the fountain of youth, or should I say, the molecular maze of aging. Buckle up, because what I'm about to share will blow your mind and maybe even change your thoughts about getting older. Imagine if I told you your body has a secret roadmap of aging, with hidden checkpoints that could hold the key to living longer, healthier lives. Well, guess what? Scientists have just uncovered this map, and it's nothing like we expected. Stick around, because later, I'll reveal the 2 critical ages where your body hits the turbo button on aging. And trust me, they're not the ones you're thinking of. Let's kick things off with a bang. A groundbreaking study published in Nature Aging has shattered everything we thought about getting older. This isn't just some dry, dusty research. This is the stuff that could reshape how we live our lives, how we approach health, and maybe, how we could slow down the clock. I'm talking potential game changers for everyone from biohackers to health nuts, to anyone who's ever looked in the mirror and wondered, is this what getting older looks like? You might be wondering, how did these scientists pull off this aging magic trick? They didn't just study a handful of people, they went big. We're talking over 100 participants from all walks of life. It's like they assembled the Avengers of aging research, but instead of superheroes, they got regular folks like you and me. These brave volunteers weren't just filling out surveys. Oh no, they were put through the scientific ringer. We're talking blood tests that make your annual checkup look like child's play. The researchers were hunting for metabolites and proteins, the tiny molecules that are like the gossip columnists of your body, spilling all the secrets about what's going on inside. Think of metabolomics as the CSI of your body's chemistry, tracking down every little metabolic clue. And proteomics? That's like having a backstage pass to the protein party in your cells. These 2 powerhouses of science gave researchers a front-row seat to the aging show happening inside us all. The groundbreaking discoveries in this aging study were only possible with cutting-edge technology. We're talking about next-generation sequencing machines that can read your DNA faster than you can say telomere, and mass spectrometers so sensitive they can detect molecules you didn't even know existed in your body. These high-tech marvels are like the CSI equipment of the biological world, allowing scientists to peer into the molecular mysteries of aging with unprecedented clarity. And it's not just about the hardware. Sophisticated AI and machine learning algorithms are crunching through mountains of data, spotting patterns and connections that human researchers might miss. This fusion of biology and technology is ushering in a new era of aging research, where we can track the tiniest changes in our bodies over time, potentially leading to personalized anti-aging strategies tailored to your unique molecular profile. But here's where it gets wild. The scientists didn't just find a simple, you get older, things break down story. Nope, they uncovered a plot twist worthy of a Hollywood blockbuster. It turns out that aging isn't a smooth downhill slide, it's more like a series of molecular earthquakes. The study revealed distinct clusters of molecules that change in ways so complex that they'd make a Rubik's Cube look like child's play. And get this, these changes don't happen at a steady pace. They come in waves, with 2 significant tsunamis hitting at ages 44 and 60. That's right, folks. 44 and 60 are the new midlife crisis years, but on a molecular level. At 44, your body's hitting the gas pedal on inflammation and metabolic shifts. Then at 60, bam, another wave hits, messing with your cellular repair crews and stress responses. These ages are crucial because they mark significant shifts in your body's aging process, and understanding these shifts can help you better prepare for the challenges that lie ahead. Now, before you start planning your molecular midlife crisis parties, let's pump the brakes for a second. This doesn't mean you're doomed to fall apart at these ages. Knowing about these molecular milestones could be your secret weapon in the fight against aging. It's like getting a sneak peek at the enemy's battle plans. Now you can prepare your defenses. But here's the thing, and this is where it gets fascinating. These findings are just the tip of the iceberg. The study, as groundbreaking as it is, has its limitations. For starters, over 100 people is a great start. But in the grand scheme, it's like trying to understand the ocean by looking at a kiddie pool. We need more diversity, data, and time to crack this aging code. And that's where you come in. Your participation, interest, and questions are all crucial to the future of aging research. And let's not forget, we're more than just our blood samples. While this study focused on what's floating around in our veins, we're just beginning to explore a whole universe of aging in our organs and tissues. It's like we found one piece of a million-piece puzzle. Exciting, but there's still a lot of work to do. Now, I promised you a powerful technique that even top CEOs use to make tough decisions. And here it is. Understanding your body's molecular timeline. Imagine looking at your blood work and seeing your cholesterol levels and a roadmap for your future health. That's the kind of insight this research is moving us towards. It's not quite there yet, but we're on the brink of a revolution in personalized aging interventions. Think about it. What if you knew that at 44 your body was about to kick inflammation into high gear? You could work with your doctor to develop a proactive plan, tweaking your diet, exercise, and lifestyle to smooth out that molecular earthquake before it hits. Or at 60, when your cellular repair team starts slacking off, you could boost them with targeted therapies or interventions. This is the future of aging research personalized strategies that take into account your unique molecular profile and help you navigate the challenges of aging with precision and foresight. This isn't just about living longer, it's about living better. It's about taking control of your aging process and making informed decisions about your health. And the best part? We're just at the beginning of this journey. Every day, scientists uncover new secrets about how we age, and with each discovery, we get closer to cracking the code of longevity. So what's the takeaway from all this? First, aging is way more complex and fascinating than we ever imagined. It's not a one-way street to decline. It's a dynamic, ever-changing landscape we're just starting to map out. Second, knowledge is power. The more we understand these molecular changes, the better we are able to face them head-on. Finally, the future of aging research is incredibly exciting. We're on the cusp of a new era in health and longevity, where we don't just react to the effects of aging, but actively shape our molecular destinies. It's like we're all scientists in the lab of our own lives, experimenting and optimizing as we go. So, my fellow age hackers, are you ready to join this revolution? Are you excited to take control of your molecular timeline and rewrite the story of aging? Because I sure am. The fountain of youth might not be a magical spring, but it could flow through your veins, waiting to be discovered. Remember, every day you're alive is another day of data in this grand experiment we call life. So stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay tuned to this channel for more mind-blowing insights into the science of aging. Together, we're not just getting older, we're getting smarter, stronger, and more empowered to live our best lives at every age. And hey, if you found this video as fascinating as I did making it, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share it with everyone you know. Because let's face it, we're all in this aging game together, and the more we know, the better we can play it. Until next time, keep questioning, exploring, and aging like the badass molecular marvel you are.